Hello, I'm Claudia from Harmate.es, and in this quick tutorial I want to show you how to install this plugin called Nelio Content that I absolutely love to schedule your blog posts, to manage your editorial calendar, and to just make your life easier as a blogger. So to do it, we're gonna log in into your WordPress admin panel, and here on the left side you will scroll down and you will find the plugins. So underneath here, you can just simply click here or directly click add new. What's gonna happen if you click the name plugins, it's just you're gonna follow one step more. So you need to come up here and press add new. It's the same as pressing directly from there add new. So you should arrive to a page like this, and here you have a search bar, so you can start typing the name of the plugin you want to install. In this case, Nelio Content. And you don't need to even press intro, it's gonna automatically start searching and it will find it. So as you can see, for me, it's appearing with this button that it's not clickable because I have it already installed. But all you need to do is, for example, let's say I want to install this one, you would press directly the button install now, and after a while it will say it's installed and it will appear another button saying activate. That's the next step you need to do. Click activate and everything will be done. Once it's installed and activate, you will find here on the left Nelio Content, and you can follow my next tutorial on how to use Nelio Content. So I hope you find it useful and see you on the next video.